Hi, my name is Michael Gardiner, founder of Done For You Meetings, your choice for B2B prospecting. And if you've been saying, damn it, I'm going into spam, then you need to sit and watch this video, as we're going to talk about how the Google API changes might be affecting your deliverability, increasing your spam rate, and thus decreasing your cold email results. So as I'm recording this, it's the 30th of March, and if last week around Tuesday or Wednesday, you saw your open rates, your spam rate, your bounce rate just go absolutely crazy, it's not your fault. It's because Google had an API change. This changes the way cold email sending tools like Lemlist, Mailshake, and Woodpecker interact with Google inboxes, which are a very high volume of inbox you're hitting, and thus makes you go into spam. So what can you do about this? Well, let's talk about it. Let's go over how you can best manage this, because truly there isn't a magical solution to make it better. You just have to do your best to manage it. So let's go ahead and talk about how we can do that. So the first thing you can do for this current issue or any future issues is have backup domains and emails. This is always a good idea, because if you completely burn your email and you're stuck going for warm up for 14 days again, well, no campaigns are getting sent out. That means your CRM is going to dry, you're going to close less leads, and it's going to cause problems. So what I want you to do here is go ahead and get some backup domains and emails. For every domain, you can go ahead and get 2 emails warmed up. And depending on the volume of campaigns you're sending, I would go ahead and get 3 to 5 backup domains, which will equate to 6 to 10 backup emails, and then warm them up on LemWarm, Warmup Inbox, or Instantly. I am currently using Warmup Inbox for warmups and in the process of switching over to Instantly.ai. Second, you can reduce your sending volume per email, not overall, but per email. You want to make sure you're still getting good volume out so you're going to see results, but you don't want to push volume on one email right now. So if you have an email that's been sending for a long time and it's backed up on follow-up emails, maybe just completely cut that one off and put volume on another. Or if you have one that's a bit newer and you're sending, let's say, 20 a day, maybe cut that down to 10. And again, this is where having multiple domains and multiple emails will help you out, because you can always just lower the volume but spread it out across more of your domains and emails. And the last thing that you can do is just really practice common spam practices even more. What I mean by this is there's a lot of basics of not going into spam, and I see a lot of people just not doing these. And now that they're in spam, they're considering doing them. So what are some of the things you can do? Don't mislead people. If your subject line is new sale for company name, you're going to piss some people off. Don't do that. Make your subject line nice. Make your email nice. Don't mislead people. They're going to report you as spam, and it's going to hurt you. Also include an unstop option. I always recruit a reply to stop campaigns option, not actually a button that hurts deliverability. You don't want to use too many links. That's not good. But just a reply if you're not interested, and I'll stop emailing you. Also, spin your intros. Spin hi, hello, hey, how are you? That way you're not sending the same exact email every time. And use merge fields. Use first name, last name, personalized line, whatever merge fields are relevant. So again, it makes your emails all a little bit different. Also, you're going to warm up your emails fully 2 weeks. No skimping on that. Set up all your email records. If you don't know how to do it, there's tons of good guides out there. And lastly, actually subscribing to newsletters on your outreach emails makes you look like more of a human, because humans subscribe to newsletters, and that can help a bit. And the last thing to add here is going to be avoid spammy language. Using the word guarantee too much, free iPad, well, whatever common spam words people use, you want to try to avoid those. So that's going to make you look like a spammer. So I know this video is a short one. I didn't want to make it unnecessarily long. Everyone is having these issues right now. It's not just you. It's normal. Don't freak out. So all you can really do is practice these principles of avoiding spam, reduce your sending volume per email, and also add backup domains and emails. I'm confident it'll get better. Maybe by the time I'm posting this, it's already better, and I hope so. But nonetheless, I hope this helped you out. And if you are looking for additional help with your cold email campaigns, feel free to book a call, dfymeetings.com, and I'm happy to see if I can help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.